Okay, so it's time for us to start working in our brand new project using React, Redux, and Firebase. All right. So let's begin. Let's begin by creating a React project first. So the first thing I want to do is I want to show you. I want to take you to reactjs.com, reactjs.org. Get started. Installation. Okay. So I'm sure you have already the globally you have already installed the create react app. If not, you can run this command. Okay, so go to your terminal and let me create a new window. Okay, so I have a lot of folders in my root directory and I want to start this project inside Firebase. Okay, cd Firebase. If you don't have, you can create any folder or you can do it whatever you like. Okay, so I have a Firebase folder here in my root directory, so I'm going inside this folder. Okay, ls. So I've got a couple of projects there. I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to name it. So yeah, the first thing, you should have it installed globally. Okay, so you just hit enter and it will install globally. Once you do that, you can use this create react app command from anywhere in your computer and you can start a new project. Okay, so create react app and I'm going to name it, let's name it react blog. Okay, react blog. Okay, so it will create a new project. It will take a while depending on your internet speed. So once we have this project, all right, so cd into react blog, cd react blog, and then I use yarn start. You can use npm start. Okay, I prefer to use yarn, but okay. So we should see a brand new React project. Awesome, welcome to React. The first thing I want to do, I want to open up the console. All right, and the next thing, I go to this folder, Firebase. This is where I created my project and named it React blog. Yes, let me drag it to Sublime Text. Let me get rid of this old project. Okay. This empty project, let me get rid of it. All right, so we got the React application here. Okay, we don't need all these files. They come disturbing us, so I'm going to get rid of them. Okay, the first thing, logo, we don't need. Index css, we don't need. We will create a separate one later. We don't need test.js, we don't need css. Okay, so let's get rid of them. Delete. So all we have is app, index, and that's about it. This one. Okay. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder and I'm going to name it components. Okay, we're going to start building this huge application, so it's it's better to get organized from the beginning. So we have the components folder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this file inside components. Okay, so let me go to my folder, source, and let me drag it inside components. So our app is inside components now. So if you go, you will see this, it's broken because can't find the app, of course. So what we need to do, so this is the index.js. Let me actually make the font bigger, right? Great. Okay, so we are importing app from app, but now it's components / app. Right, we don't have css, get rid of it. Right, and then let's go to app and then let's get rid of all this and let's actually get rid of everything. Let's get rid of everything. Let's get rid of everything. Nothing here. All right, so let's go. Yep, nothing here. Okay, so we're ready. We're ready to, what do we do next? Next thing, we have to set up firebase. Okay, so before we start coding, we got one more thing to do, that is setting up firebase, and we do that in the next video. Thank you.